Welcome to Everyday Mechanic. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how and why you should replace these bulbs, because these have a colour coating around them that breaks up. Even though the bulb still works, it will flash white. If you look in there, you see that bulb in there is not the same colour as that. I'm going to show you why. So, on this Mark III Focus, it's a 2012 plate. This is how we change the rear bulb. We're going to go into the boot and we're going to pull off this cover here. See this cover? We're going to pull that off. Inside here we have a little black screw, which is, I've already took it out for speed purposes, but it's one of these. It just screws onto that. So we unscrew this, take that out. We've got another one up there. Can you see in there? Can you see in there? You got it, Cole? Yeah. So we take this one out, which is another one of these. Cool. So what you'll be left with is this. There we are. You got this cover, them two plastic screws, and then we come right there. You just get the light cluster, you pull outwards this way, and then we're going to pull it backwards. We've got this thing here, this little notch that goes into that panel grommet there, and then that'll give us the light. So all we do then is we go look for our bulb. So we're going to go for this one, which is here. Take this out. Quick simple video. And there we go. Can you see the difference? Because that is actually an MOT failure. If it isn't a failure, it's definitely an advisory. So we put our new bulb in. Back in. Then reversal for refitting. Quick simple video. How to change the bulbs on your Mark III Focus. Just keep your things simple. Nice one.